Travels with Wyss.
Caravan warranty, what it really covers. Most caravan owners think they've got warranty, well, until something breaks. And that's when they find out they don't. I'm Wyss and I've spent over 25 years building, designing, repairing and selling caravans, and I've sat on industry boards and have been used in court as an expert. And today, I'm going to tell you the truth about warranty. And there are 2 pro tips at the end of this video you don't want to miss. So let's start with, there are 2 types of warranty. Express warranty, explicitly stated in the contract. And there's also implied warranty. Now that's inferred by law, such as the statutory guarantee that goods are fit for purpose. So what is it and what isn't? And exactly how to handle a claim so you don't get pushed aside. So what warranty actually is. A warranty is a promise from the seller or manufacturer that the product will be free from defects for a certain period. And this is the part that most people don't understand. Adjustments are not defects. Warranty is not an insurance. It's not a maintenance plan, and it definitely doesn't cover everything. So what warranty is not is where most people get caught out. Warranty does not cover wear and tear, things like tyres, brakes, seals. It doesn't cover damage from misuse or overloading. It doesn't come from a lack of maintenance. Modifications you've done yourself or even modifications done by a third party. Environmental damage, water ingress from poor sealing over time if not maintained. And here's the big one. If you've got a small issue and it becomes a big one, that bigger problem may not be covered. I've seen this so many times where people have ignored a minor issue for so long it becomes a big one, and that was not covered because you didn't act. Warranty does not mean the product is indestructible. And it's not to be used as something that you go out and try and get your caravan rebuilt just moments before the warranty expires. Look, Australian consumer law, and this is where you actually get more power than you think. Under Australian consumer law, the seller or the dealer is responsible, not the manufacturer. The product must be of acceptable quality, fit for purpose. So here's a pro tip, and this is a minefield if you use this without fully understanding it. And that applies even after the written warranty expires. This is where most people don't push hard enough. The biggest warranty mistake took too long to report the issue, getting aggressive straight away, not documenting anything, trying to fix it themselves first, not understanding who to contact, the dealer or the manufacturer. And these mistakes can cost you thousands. So here, this is the important one, how to approach a warranty claim. And this is how you do it properly. Document everything. Photos, videos, dates, when it started, what caused it, if it's known, and do this timely. Go to the right person first. Look, if you bought it through a dealer, they are your first contact, not Facebook. And another little pro tip here, social media can hurt your claim before it begins. Do you want a fix or do you want an audience? Look, not the manufacturer, at least not initially, and certainly not the mate down the road. Be calm, clear and professional. Don't be aggressive, it backfires. Say this, I believe this is a warranty claim and I'd like it assessed. Stay calm and professional. Put it in writing. Look, no one caused this deliberately. So remember, stay calm. Your best approach is email. And the pro tip here is always follow up and make sure they received it. It creates a record and it protects you. And my next pro tip, this was also a huge one. And I've seen this time and time again. People talked into getting repairs done without authorization and being told by the repairer to pay up front and get it reimbursed by the dealer or manufacturer. Don't fall for this, no matter what you're told. And then, of course, finally, escalate if it's needed. If you're not getting anywhere, ask to talk to the manager or owner. And if all else fails, refer to Australian consumer law. Contact consumer law affairs in your state. Use phrases like not fit for purpose, not of acceptable quality. These are powerful words. Look, not every claim will be approved, and sometimes rightly so. But a good manufacturer or dealer will stand behind their product if you handle it properly. So here is the bottom line. Warranty isn't about arguing. It's about understanding the system and using it properly. Look, if you found this helpful, please subscribe. Drop in the comments. I read every one. Please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and comment.
Wyss.